Now it will be almost. I have to try to keep myself straight, okay? Whenever you are ready.
Hold on. Okay.
What?
We're gonna throw some popcorn in here for the fishing
Hey,
thing.
Liz, there was seaweed over there. I was making sure not to fall. Just throw the rope out. I really don't think I'll make it.
I can't get stepping on it.
Man, you're on the rope. Faster. Faster.
Okay.
You weren't going fast enough for it.
Hold on. I try to straight up, Evchu. I don't have straight.
Waiting for the girl to fall.
Got it?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Say go.
Tight, 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 tight.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
All that's left in here is the small ones. We only caught a few.
To gdzie je złapałeś?
Fish
Marku?
Creek. Let me get them undone. I got him on worm.
Zdjęcie.
To Marek mówi, że tu w rzece złapał na tego, na glistę.
Ładniejszy kodek.
But this is the side I dragged him on.
No, careful. Tam po te.
See, he's scratched up there because we dragged him on the
Yeah.
ground.
Look. To ty jeszcze trochę na bok. A teraz go chwyć za skrzela. Tutaj, żeby na połcze. Idź teraz.
Look at me, Mum. Beautiful, ain't I? Oh, your model. I caught 3.
You caught one, I caught two.
But this one, so.
But I had a lot of hits, a lot of snacks.
That has the biggest one. You have the smallest one.
Really slimy guys. This slime.
Ewa, ty idź, weź buciki i ogień. Przynieś małe wiaderko albo coś, Ewa, żebyśmy...
Slime, but it's smooth. It's not like slimy, sticky.
Yeah, it's funny.
I'm comparing it to others.
O, słoik duży trzeba na jajka. Zobaczysz, Ewa, ile one jajek mają.
No, that's a baby though, so it's not gonna have any.
I think that she's gonna have it.
Are there any girls? That one?
I don't know. This is the smallest one I've ever caught. Mostly it is big. Fish Creek.
What do you think Liz wants me to do with these? Envelopes, paper, and pens.
No, it doesn't look small, but
Wow.
it looks small.
Extra large would have been good.
Doesn't fit
Come on,
good?
don't forget about
No,
this.
It's fine.
Envelopes.
sleeve?
Liz wants me to write her a
No,
letter.
Sleeves are fine too.
Pens.
Because extra large was the same thing with the sleeve.
Okay. Thank you.
An extra large, I think, was just as big around, but it was just longer.
Liz, open one of your presents.
So after, do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you get the hint?
Yeah.
Like, aren't the pens cool?
Yeah, they're awesome. I saw them in the store. Not anymore. Victoria's Secret. She got me an empty box. There's nothing in it.
Okay, this is good because no guys are here. They can't see any of the sexy stuff that I got you.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a piece.
Oh, wowee. Thank you so much, Liz. Can't get the sun tape. A little
Everyone's
big,
getting
don't you
large.
think? And then a bra.
Oh, come on. I want to see the bra. Try it on for us.
Whoa!
Fuck him.
I didn't think so.
Now which one?
The other one for me.
I don't want to open all of yours. Mommy?
What is? What's in it?
Teddy bear and our nightshirt. A little hard to open.
Elizabeth,
That for you.
co tam masz?
Oh. What?
Co tam masz?
Stuff to make me smell nice when I take a shower.
You are so stinky?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm feeling.
Paula. Oh, you will. And then there's
I like the way it smells. They aren't gonna get any longer.
No, the sleeves, they're fine.
Really?
Yeah. They're fine.
Is it okay across the shoulders?
Yeah.
thank you, Paula.
You're welcome. So cute.
No.
Ah. I like these things.
What is it?
Like they're
Oh.
wow. This is
Yeah,
really
you got a
nice.
wallet.
Wow. I don't have any.
For me?
Oh. See? And I need it too.
What is it?
Put it in her pen.
Oh my god.
Mom.
EVA, you packed so nice. I like presents like this.
Really? And see, this and this match. You got socks. There's more in there too, if you know.
Wow. Can I wear it now in the wintertime?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
And hey. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Don't remember any of this stuff, but that's okay. Thank you.
Another present for me? Or, I mean, to you for me.
Another one?
I think there's some more here too.
F2, I can't. Gosh. See?
Is it big enough?
I hope so.
You're too big for her.
But this is nice. I like this. See, it's got these booby things that it pushes your boobs up to make you look like you got big boobs.
There's not enough room for the butt here. You need more material.
Yes, a pajama.
Mamusha.
See, look at Mom only wraps up one present, but she puts like 500 million clothes into it. Whoa, thank you, Mom. I got a pajama. Wow. Wow.
Elżbieta.
Wow.
Elizabeth.
Wow.
Let me see it. Mom, why did you do that?
Good, it's made in the USA. Wow.
What is it?
Well, these I can't show.
Oh yeah.
Show. They match? They match together or no?
Wow. Look at that. Thank you, Mom. My boyfriend will like it very much. Ciocia rozumiała?
Chcę, żeby ta kamera została na twojej głowie.
Oh, wow, look at this. This is pretty too.
Here, open this one. I'll do that.
We didn't go to the store.
Stickers.
We didn't go to the store.
Yeah. You guys didn't look
That's okay.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Co ty mówiłaś, Liz?
See, I didn't open mine. Thank
They
you.
said that they were sorry that they didn't get us any more stuff because they didn't have a chance to go to the store. But I said it doesn't matter what they get us. Dziękuję, Ciocia. Wow, they're so tiny. But I said it doesn't matter what they got me because I know that they love me anyways. Right?
I don't know. Oh, how sweet.
Mom, who's this for?
No, pójdziemy się przejść, musimy iść, bo to
Well,
jest
I'm getting ready.
Didn't do anything. Listen, he was a shoe on the hand. I hear you.
Have made an arrest in the shooting of an 18-year-old girl on Elm Street Wednesday. Another arrest related to the homicide was also made tonight. Deputy Police Chief Nicholas Yegi tells Eyewitness News that 16-year-old Christine Saravolo of Utica was arrested and charged with murder in the second degree. Saravolo is being held in the death of 18-year-old Sophia Marion, who was found laying in the middle of the street in the 1500 block of Elm Street on Wednesday. In addition, 19-year-old Pedro Liriano of Utica was arrested and charged with criminal possession of a weapon, a felony. Yegi says Liriano's arrest is related to the homicide. Both remain in custody and are expected to be arraigned Monday morning in Utica City Court. Yegi says the investigation is still underway and that today's arrest